Oh, what?
I okay.
I
Okay. Okay.
now let's execute.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. What did you
Just like ice cream is
you
yummy.
s- okay? You like ice cream, right?
Yes, I do.
Okay. All right. So that's the whole idea, right? You see, anything you wanted to print, you simply put it between the quotation marks. Okay. So don't forget this. As simple as it is, whatever you want to print, you must put it between what? Quotation marks. Now, anytime you forget to put your quotation mark, Python will assume that you are telling it to print what's inside a variable. Okay? Do you remember what a variable is?
Like I can't remember, but wait, let me try. A
Okay.
variable is a variable is what is inside the brackets. What is written inside
No,
the bracket?
no. So let me, I'm going to remind you, but you've got to promise me that by the next class, okay, don't worry, I'll tell your mom. You will come with your notebook, okay, so that you take notes. Is that fine?
Okay.
I promise you the notes are going to be short. It's just for you to remember things that we learn in class. Okay, so a variable is simply a name, okay, a named location where you can store your information. So let me give you an example of a variable. Okay, now you guys, I think the closest thing to a variable in that you've probably seen is what you did in algebra, right? You guys have done algebra in class, right?
Yeah, but not that algebra.
Okay, so this is the idea of a variable. For instance, they could tell you y equals a plus b, and they will tell you what a is. They will tell you that a is 5 and b is 10. So if a is 5, that means where you have a, 5 is there, and where you have b, 10 is there. So when you say a plus b, what would that give you?
A plus B will give you 15.
Did you say 15?
Should I put letters or numbers?
No, it's going to be letters. It's going to be letters. So do you understand the concept of a variable now?
Yes, I do.
Let's try it out. So go back to the Python IDLE.
Okay.
All right. So what I want you to type there, we're going to do exactly what I just said now. So type a small letter A and then put
What?
the equal sign.
Equal sign.
A, so yes, A is 5.
A plus.
No, no, don't do the plus. Just put A equals 5.
5.
Okay. All right. Now you know what we're going to do.
Hmm?
Can you put one space? Put one space between A and the equals, and a space between the equals and 5. Just yes, one space. Thank you. Do the same thing there. Beautiful. Excellent. All right. So now go ahead, go to the next line and hit enter by hitting enter. Okay, good. All right. Now do the same thing for B, but this time we're going to say B equals 10. Okay. Now hit enter, and the next thing we're going to say is we'll create another variable called y. Okay, so this time we're going to say y equals a plus b.
Should I put a
Try
space?
to space it out. Yes, please.
Okay. Sorry.
Yes, correct. That's good. Okay. Now hit enter.
And
Now you know what we're going to do next. Can you guess?
what?
I said, can you guess what we're going to do next?
No.
Okay, we're going to check to see what's inside y. But let me ask you, what do you think is inside y?
15.
15. Okay, so let's see if that's correct. So go ahead and say print, and then in between the parentheses, put y, only y. Go ahead.
What do you say?
Print y, print y. Remember, no quotation marks this time. No quotation
Okay.
marks, this just y.
Okay. What
Yeah, go
next?
ahead, enter. What did you notice?
It sounds. It's the answer was 15.
Good. So, did you see what I said back there? That if you don't put quotation marks, what will Python assume?
It, the very they will assume that it's that you want to print out the variable.
Yes, you want to print out the contents of a variable. Good. Okay. So always remember, when you want to print out the contents of a variable, don't put quotation marks. Okay. But if you need to print out something exactly as it is, make sure you put quotation marks there. Okay. So you know what, we're going to do something now. We are going to combine both a variable and something like what you typed there, hello world or ice cream is yummy. Okay. So I'm going to send it to you in the chat box. So go ahead and check your chat box in about uh maybe 2 minutes.
2 minutes, okay.
Yeah. Okay. So go ahead and check now.
Come in.
All right.
And print y is equal to comma y.
Yes. Did you notice that the one on the left hand side is between quotation marks? The one after the comma doesn't have any quotation marks. Did you notice that?
Yes, I just noticed now.
Okay, good. So go ahead and type exactly what you see there
Okay.
in the Python IDLE.
Okay, come in.
Okay, you want to copy it. So
No.
okay, so go ahead. You can
Okay.
try copying it, but sometimes the IDF may not be too friendly to copying and pasting if you are not careful. But just
Okay.
let's try it. Just the only thing you need to do is to be careful. So do you know how to copy and paste?
I do, but you said I need to be careful, so I'll be more careful.
I think on a Mac it's Command C instead of Control C for copy. Then on like you have on a Windows computer, Command C is copy for Mac, while Command V is
Let me just lead the way. Oh, sometimes print Y. Print Y.
okay. Kato, are you still there?
Yes, I am. Just I need to add the finishing
Kato, are you
touches.
still there?
Yes, I am.
Okay, all right.
Okay. Okay, done.
Okay, so go ahead and hit enter. Let's see what shows up.
Y is equal to
So
15.
what did you notice?
I noticed that the variable was wait, the variable was mixed up with what I have written.
Yeah, between the quotation marks, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you see, any the stuff that you have between those quotation marks, we call it text, like text. Okay, text. So when you have text and the variable, right, you will see that the text will appear exactly as it is, but the variable will not. You see that it shows what is inside the variable, right?
Hmm. Yes.
Okay. Now I want you to look very well. Look at even up to the spaces in between the quotation marks, in between the words. Your Python was very particular that it showed you exactly what you put between the quotation marks. Did you notice one more thing? That after the word two, there's no space between two and the quotation mark.
Mm. Yes, I noticed.
Good. Now, the question I think you should be asking yourself now is, how come there's a space between 2 and 15? Where did that space come from? Can you guess?
No, not really.
Okay. So let me tell you what happened. Python put it in there for you by default. Okay. So the whole idea is that even if you forgot to put a space after, on the last between the last word and the quotation mark, Python will put it in there for you. Did you get that? Kato, you there? Hello? Kato, can you hear me? Kato, can you hear me? Hello, Kato, can you hear me?
was, the meeting was timed out.
Oh, okay, okay. All right. So can you go ahead and share your screen again? Remember how your mom shared taught you. Share the
Yeah,
entire screen.
yeah, I can.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, I have.
All right. I noticed that the laptop was not charging. I hope the battery would last.
That's
Would
true.
it?
I mean, I'm
Do you
about
want to
you.
ask your you want to ask your auntie for the charger
Yeah, I should.
that it doesn't go off on
Just wait here.
because Marizu will still use it. So I'm not sure that 11% will take us.
What?
Could you ask your auntie for the charger so that she could
I want to ask her.
help
I want to
you?
ask her now. I want to ask her now.
Okay, okay, go
Let me
ahead. I'll wait for you. I'll wait for you. Okay, Kato, have you connected it now?
Yes, yes, I have. That's it.
Okay, good. Okay, excellent. All right, so let's continue. Um, so can you go back to ideally? Let's see what you have. I was trying to explain back then.
Okay, coming.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So I was saying that you see that space between the two and the one in 15. It was put in there by Python because if you look at what you have on the line before y is equal to 15, you will see that there is no space between two and that quotation mark. You notice that, right?
Yeah, I noticed.
Okay, good, excellent. So that's a good thing, don't you think so? It's a good thing, right? That Python can look out for us and put in a space where we might have, either forgotten or most likely may not remember to put a space. Okay, but you know what that also means? It means that you need to be careful with your. Right now, we have not had any errors, right?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Now, let me show you some places, a few places in this that could give you an error. You see that word, that's the name of the function there, the print function. If you had misspelled it by using a capital letter P, or you left out the I in print, number one, you will notice that that word will not change color. It will be black or something. It will not be purple as it is right now. That color that the IDL is giving you is it's a safety measure for you to know. Oh, I'm on the right track. Okay. So print is called a function, and it's for now. If you must do what, type it exactly as it is. Okay, all in lowercase. So I want us to introduce an error now. Are you ready?
Yes.
So now take note. What you're about to type now is not correct, but let's just see how errors look in Python. So go ahead and type that print statement. Okay, but this time type it with a capital letter P.
The imprints.
Yes, the print. That statement, type it with a capital letter P.
Okay. I've already noticed the mistake.
Oh, you've already noticed it. Uh-huh. Okay.
Oh,
Okay. So you can see the color doesn't change. But go ahead, type it as if yes. Go ahead and type everything. You can do that same y is equal to.
okay. I'm ready. I'm sorry, 70. Mr. Charles, I'm ready. Oh, Mr. Charles literally left the meeting. Yeah, I'm not sure, but he just left the meeting. I asked Mr. Charles, I'm ready. I had no response. So, Clement said you should click on retry. It's not for me, it's Mr. Charles' own. I'm still in the meeting, yes. But nothing happened.
Okay, Kato. Sorry, I had a bit of instinct.
Yeah. Yeah, what?
All right, so let's see what should.
Oh, can you have written it?
Okay, so go ahead and hit enter.
Okay. Trace back
Okay, now
most.
I want you to, yes, go ahead.
Yeah, I just did. It just says, oh, I don't think I shared my screen. Sorry. Wait.
Yes,
Have
you're
I?
showing your, I can see
Yeah,
it, I
I am.
can see it. Okay, so it says what? Can you read it?
Trace, trace back most recent call last. File vcell.
Yeah,
Okay, let me just do. Name print is not defined. Did you mean prints with small letter?
exactly, exactly. So can you see that last line is usually what gives you an idea of what error has happened. Okay, so this is a way of the of Python telling us that, oh, there is an error in our code. Okay, and then it would suggest, but it may not always be right. But yes, in this case, it's right. So you can tell what to do, or how to fix your code. Okay, so the errors usually show in red. Anytime you see red in your code, it means you need to stop and fix it. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Okay, so let's explain what happened back there where you have the A equals 5, B equals 10, and Y equals A plus B. Now, remember this, okay? that equals is okay if we are doing mathematics and we say A equals 5. But now we're not doing mathematics, okay? But coding, all right?
Okay.
So instead of us to say A equals 5, we are going to
Oh, sorry.
say A assignment
A
operator 5. Did you get that?
in the chat box.
Did you get that? Hello, Kato, did you get
Yeah.
that?
I heard no, but
Kato,
I
did
heard
you
what you
get that?
said.
So did you hear what I said back there? No, no, no,
No, it, your voice is cracking.
no, no. I said something. I said
Mr. Jones, I can't hear you well.
that that equals
Why?
okay. Okay, good. Okay, okay. All right. No problem. So I just wanted to say that we'll not be calling it equals to again. We're calling it as to. Okay, is it better now?
Yeah, it's a little bit better now.
Can you hear me better now?
Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Not again. Mr. Shop has a lot of Wi-Fi issues from the phone. From my teacher's and oh, he's back. Mr. Charles.
Okay, I'm back. Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can.
Okay. All right. So I was saying that. Okay, are you still sharing your screen? I can't see your screen yet.
Oh, you can't. Let me see.
It's still coming up.
Come in. Let me reshare again.
Okay.
Bro. It's when I change is when they disconnected, bro.
All right. Kato, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay. All right. We share your screen. Let's see.
Okay. I just
Yeah.
stopped sharing. I could reshare.
Yes. Yes. Go ahead. Okay. I can see your screen now. Good. All right. Okay. Good. All right. So let's look at what you have there. I'm just going to explain something and then we'll be done. We'll be done for today. Okay. So that
Okay.
Marizu can come on and we can have our class with Marizu. Okay. So, or maybe I should leave it till our next class. So let me show you how to save your work. Okay. So can you go to the top of the file, to the top of this ideally, where you see file?
File.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Save as,
Okay.
right?
So click on, no, let's click on save. This is the
Oh,
first time. Yeah. So the good thing about save is that it will still open save as. So go ahead. Let's type. What should we call it? What do you think we should call it?
lesson plan one.
Lesson plan. Let's call it code. First code. First Python code or something.
Okay, first Python code.
Yeah. First Python code. Excellent. Okay. Now, it's asking us to where to save. Don't worry. Let's just save it. Okay. No. Add your name there. Kato.
Add the tags.
No, no, no,
Or
no. Just put Kato beside the code.
the save as.
Yes, we had beside the savers. Yes, beside the code. After code. First Python code for Kato.
Okay.
Yeah, correct. All right. You can go ahead and click save.
Okay.
Okay. Excellent. So always remember to save your work after you're done. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So let's see. Um, let's open a new file for Marizu.
Okay, new file.
Yes.
How
Is Marizu ready for his own? So click on file and click on new.
where?
At the top there, click file.
File. Oh, new file.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, let's see. Okay, so maybe we should not use new file. Um, Click on other IDLE shell.
Oh.
Okay, so that's it. I think we need, let me see. How do we get that shell? Okay, click on untitled again. Let me see if there's a way we can still execute. I like it when we execute it line by line. All right, you know what? Close it. Close everything. Let's close the IDL.
Like this
Yes,
red one.
yes, that red one. Yes. Since we've saved it, it's fine. Okay. So let's see. Do you know where the program menu is here?
Program.
Yeah.
Let me check.
Go to the left. Let's see. The finder. Yes. Is there a finder there? Yes. Good. Click on that finder.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. Good. Excellent. The finder is there. Just double click on that ideally. Or you know what? Let Marizu come and do it himself. Okay. You've already
Okay.
opened it. Fine. Let Marizu do it. Is he
Let
there
me,
watching?
let me put in full screen for you guys.
Okay. That's good. Thank you.
Let me call you.
So remember, are you
Well,
coming with next class?
what? What?
What are you coming with on your next class, Kato?
Let me ask my
Eh,
mom.
You have your notebook, right?
Hey, Mr. Charles.
Yes, Marizu, are you there?
Done with what?
Okay. Are you ready?
Wait. Mr. Charles,
Yes.
my mom said my mom said she will talk to you about it.
Okay. Okay. No problem. All right. Okay. No problem. Thank you.
Bye.
Yeah. Bye. Okay. So Marizu, are you ready for class now?
Yes.
Okay. So don't worry. It's something that we'll have fun with. So there's. Have you ever heard of what a programming language is?
Yes.
What's a programming language?
Hmm?
What is a programming language?
A programming language is something like a code that you use to make websites or games.
Okay. Website or game. Okay. So yeah, I like that definition. But the unique thing about a programming language is that you can use it to make so many other things, not just websites and games. Now, do you see those apps on your phone, on your mom's phone? Do you see those apps like Zoom, like Teams,
Yes.
like can you mention some other apps on your phone?
Zoom,
Yeah,
Gmail, Google.
apps. Somebody created them, and they had to use a programming language to create them. Okay, so when maybe next time when somebody asks you what's the meaning of a programming language, you tell them that it's not just websites and games, right?
Hmm?
You tell them that it's not just only websites and games that you can create, isn't it?
Yes, you can use them to create apps.
Yes, yes. And I think apps covers so many things. Yeah, covers both games and other things that you can do on your devices. But did you also notice that without apps, your device is useless?
I know.
Yeah, that's good. All right. So we want to learn Python programming language. Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to learn about a function, something called a function. Okay, that
Okay.
helps us to print stuff on the screen.
Okay.
Okay. So you're going to type the word print,
Hmm?
all in lowercase.
What did you say?
Print.
P
Okay,
R.
print.
Okay. It's on the purple or pink. Okay, I've done that. Mr. Charles. Mr. Charles, are you there? Mr. Charles. Mr. Charles.
Yes, I'm here. Can
Oh,
you hear me?
yes, I can hear you now.
Okay, all right.
I've typed print.
Okay. Now, if you look at on your keyboard, I need you to type um um a bracket. Okay.
Okay, I put
Okay.
a.
So not that one that the one
No,
that's
that's
curved. It's
okay.
the one that's curved, not that one.
Okay, sorry.
No, not yet. Not yet. So you need to press the shift key. Do you see a shift key there?
Yes. Okay, don't worry. Yes, I've
Okay,
done it
good.
now.
Excellent. Okay, then that let me just say it up front now. The another name for what you just type now is called the parentheses. Okay, Either you
Okay.
call it brackets or parentheses. Okay. Yeah.
Yes.
Now, um, I needed to type a double quotation mark. A double quotation mark. You may need to press the shift key for that too. Correct. You. Thank you. All right. So let's start with the most famous word in programming history, which is hello world. Okay. Beautiful. All right. So close the quote. Thank you very much. And then you can now close your parentheses.
How? Oh, okay. Share.
Yes, the one the same way you did it, but this time the other one. Perfect. Perfect. Now,
Hmm.
anytime we type a line in Python, right, for it to execute, we have to hit enter. So go
Okay.
ahead and hit the enter key. Beautiful. What did you notice?
That hello world became blue and it went down.
Okay. So what? Let me tell you what happened back then. You told you called a function called the print function. Okay. That print function has some code in it. You don't know what that code is, but it has a way of taking what you give to it and displaying it on the screen. That's exactly what happened.
Oh,
So when you say print, okay, it doesn't actually send it to a printer per se, but showing something on the screen is as good as printing that thing on the screen. Did you get that?
yes.
Okay, that's good. All right. So did you also notice something? Python displayed it exactly as it typed it.
True.
Good. So I want you to do something now. Are you
Okay.
ready?
Yes.
I want you to, instead of you to, I want you to spell hello world. Let's leave out one of the L in hello. Okay, so let's just, just for fun. No, they're going to print
Oh,
the same print. No, you have
okay.
to type the print, the same thing. Yes, but we deliberately leave out one of the L's in hello. Okay, don't forget your parentheses, the quotation mark.
I know.
Okay, okay, okay. All right. Close the quotation marks now and close the parentheses and hit enter.
You showed the exact.
What did you notice?
You showed the
Thank you very
exact
much.
thing.
So that's good. So what does that tell you? Python wouldn't correct your grammatical errors for you.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yeah, it's not going to correct it for you, but it's a good thing because it means that you are in total control of what gets shown, right?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So I'm going to go to the next bit. Now I want you to type anything you want. Print. Tell Python to print whatever you want. You know, anything
Okay.
you want. Remember to put it between quotation marks.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Okay. So you love pizza.
Yes.
That's good. Kato loves ice cream. He said ice cream is yummy. So for you, it's pizza, right?
Yes.
Okay. So you can see Python. You would have wanted to say, oh, I want a capital letter I, but it's fine. If you want a small letter I, Python is not going to say you can't have a small letter I. Anything you want, get it. Okay, so now remember this. What did I say that the print, that word print is? It's a function, right?
Yes.
Okay. And what does a function do? A function does some piece of work. It's just a code that does some work for you. In this case, the print function helps you to do what? Display whatever you in between the
Whatever you want.
parentheses, right? Mm, mm-hmm. All right. So we're going to do something now. Sometimes we may not use the quotation mark. I want you to remember this. Anytime you don't use the quotation mark, okay, sorry. Anytime you don't use the quotation mark, and whether you forgot it or you didn't use it intentionally, Python will assume that you want to print what is called a variable. Okay, have you heard that word before? Variable.
Available. Available. No.
Let
No.
me no, let me spell it. Let me spell it. Variable.
Okay.
Variable.
Yes, I
Have you
have.
heard that word before?
Yes.
Okay, so what what do you think a variable is?
Something that you value.
Something that what?
You value.
Oh, okay. So this is what you're thinking. Let me
Are you there?
let me let
Mm.
me
You're glitching.
uh let me chat box. Can you just move your mouse to the bottom of the screen so that it will show you the app? Then go to Google Chrome. Yes, Google
Okay.
Chrome is somewhere. Yes, good, excellent. Yes. Now click on the chat at the bottom of the screen. At the bottom of the screen.
Which one?
At the bottom of the screen. Click on chat. At the bottom, not at the top.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Chat beside reactions. No, 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 not there. Inside Zoom, inside the Google Chrome. Have you seen chat? Yes,
Hmm?
perfect. Now that's the spelling of the word. Have you seen that word before? Have you seen that word before?
No, I
Okay,
haven't.
so that's a good thing. Don't worry. Don't feel bad about it. I'm going to tell you what that word means, okay?
Okay.
So, have you seen this other word? I'm sending it now. Have you seen this other word before? Very.
Yes, I have.
Perfect, perfect. So, what does very mean? What does very mean?
I don't know what the meaning of the words are, but I've seen it in sentences.
Okay, can you use it? Can you remember the sentence that you've seen it in? How it was used? Because that's what's going to give you a clue of the meaning.
The item
Maybe
is
this is the
very.
one that you've seen. This is the one you've seen, right?
Yes.
Uh-huh. So can you remember any sentence that that word was used in?
Can I type it?
Yes, go ahead and type it. Okay, okay, okay. So okay, no problem. Let me see. Okay, so when you saw this sentence, what do you think it meant?
Um, I don't know.
Okay, so let me explain now. If you see varies in a sentence, or you hear somebody saying, "Oh, it varies," let me see if I can give an example. Somebody says, um, what time do you guys have um common entrance common entrance class during the week?
So
Okay, or what time do you guys have English class during the week? Now, what would you tell the person? Let's imagine that on Monday you have English at 9 a.m. in the morning,
okay,
right? On
okay,
Tuesday you also have English at 9 a.m. In fact, on Wednesday, on Thursday, and on Friday, you have English at 9 a.m. What does it mean? It means that all the days of the week, right, you have English at 9 a.m. Am I right?
yes, yes,
But now, I'm sure that's not the case, right? In school, you probably have the time that you have English on Monday is usually not the same time you have English on Tuesday. Am I right?
true.
Good. So you know what you will tell the person
What?
when the person says, "What time do you have English? What time do you have English on during the week?" You will tell them, "Oh, sometimes we have it at 9 a.m. Sometimes we have it at 12. Sometimes we have it after we return from break. You know." And then you could equally say this: the time varies. Okay. Now, if somebody told you that, what would you think the person was saying?
That the time is different on different days.
Thank you very much. The time is different on different days. That's exactly what varies means. For something to vary, it means that it changes. It's not fixed. It's not always the same. It changes. Now, you know why I brought you to the word varies? Because it has everything to do with that word variable. Okay? So anything that varies does what? Changes, is different. So sometimes it can be 9 a.m., sometimes it can be 10, sometimes it can be 2, sometimes it can be, do you understand? It can change. So anytime you see that word vary or varies, okay, what comes to your mind? Something that can change. Did you get that?
Yes,
Okay. So can we now go to define the word variable? Are you ready for the definition of variable now?
yes, I am.
Okay. So a variable is simply a variable is simply something, a named location in your code that can change, that can hold different values. Okay, so we're going to see an example of a variable. Now I'm going to show you what to type next. So just watch me. I'm going to send it in the chat. Don't minimize your screen yet. I'll send it in the chat before you go back. All right. So did you see what I sent?
Yes.
Okay. So now I want to I'll explain it here, but I want you to type it. Let me send you everything that you type. So you type them, you know, in that
Okay.
order. I hope you remember. Okay. So go ahead and type exactly what you see there. So type A, starting from the first one, the second one, and the third one. So go ahead, go back to no, go to the bottom of your screen. Go to the bottom of your screen. Then you go to the right hand side. Go back to the bottom. Yes. Yes, all right. So keep going. Have you seen that IDLE?
Yeah.
IDL, yes, perfect. Go ahead.
Hmm?
Okay. So
Okay.
we started with A. Mhm. Now I know what you're thinking now. You want to say equals to, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. But we don't usually call that sign equals to. We call it assignment operator. What did I say?
Assignment or razor.
Okay. Let me say it again. Listen, you will get it. Assignment operator. Assignment operator. Now say it. Let's hear it if you got it.
Assignment or operator.
Perfect. Perfect. You got it. So can you help me put a space in between the A and the assignment operator and between the assignment operator and for? Just put a space
Yeah.
in between.
I should put it.
Yes, like that. A space, a space. Yes, just hit the space by once. No, that's too much. Just once is perfect for me. Thank you very much. So you can go ahead. Now do the same thing. Another space and then for. Perfect. Good. Hit enter.
I clicked enter.
Do the same thing for B.
Okay.
B, assignment operator 7. Don't forget your space. Thank you very much. Perfect. You're doing well. You're doing well. Nice job. Hit enter now. And then finally, F, assignment operator A plus B. Don't forget to put a space between the A and the plus and between the plus and the B.
Okay, sorry. How do you go back
Yeah.
up? I mistakenly pressed it. Oh,
Yeah, I know, I know. Don't worry, don't worry. You can't change it. Once you hit enter, you can't change what you type. But it's perfect. It will still work. But let me tell you the secret, right? That space that you put in between, it helps when you are reading your code. Do you understand?
okay.
Have you noticed that when you're writing something in your notebook in school, when your writing is clumsy, like they are packed together, it's hard to read your notes. Have you noticed that?
Yes.
Good. So that's the same thing with our code. We should always assume that someone else may look at our code. So to help that person to be able to read our code well, we need to space things out a bit. Did you get that?
Okay.
But don't worry, maybe the next time you're typing it, you remember to space it. All right. So let me explain what you just did back there. You see that first line where you have A, assignment operator 4. Let me
Yeah.
explain what happened. You see the 4, the assignment operator has two sides. It has a left hand side and it has a right hand side. I want you to tell me, what do you think is on the left hand side of the first assignment operator? The one immediately after I love pizza shows.
Uh,
What's on the left hand side?
left hand side is pizza.
No, 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 no. The line under I love pizza. The
Oh,
line under I love pizza. That next line where you have a assignment operator 4. What
mhm.
is on the left hand side of the assignment operator? And what is on the right hand side of the assignment operator?
On the right hand side is 4, and on the left hand side is A.
On the left hand side is what?
A.
Thank you very much. On the right hand side is what?
4.
Beautiful. Now, anytime you have a code like this, please take note. The variable must always be where on the left hand side. And then any number that you want to put inside it must always be where on the right hand side. Did you get that?
Okay.
Good. Now, anytime you make a mistake to put the number on the left hand side and the variable on the right hand side, guess what's going to happen?
What?
An error. it's going to flag an error because that's not the correct order. Okay. So, but don't worry, we'll discuss about errors later. But let's learn the correct things first. So you have the variable on the left hand side and the number that you're putting inside it on the right hand side. So
Yeah.
right now, 4 is inside the variable where A. Now let's look at the next line. You have B, assignment operator what? 7. So what does that tell you?
The 7 is on the right hand side, and B is the variable while 7 is the number.
Mhm. Thank you very much. And so that means right now, after that line was executed, B is containing what number?
Hmm? B is a variable.
Yes, yes, I know. What is it containing? What does it contain? What's inside it?
Assignment
Okay,
operator.
so let maybe you didn't get me when I said the first one. Now you see that A assignment operator 4. It means that 4 is inside the variable A. Did you get it now?
Mm-hmm.
Did you get it now? Okay. Now, so for the second line, what would we conclude? What is inside the variable B?
7.
Thank you very much. Now, I want you to look at that third line carefully. Or the next line. Sorry, it's not really the third line. The next line after the B operator 7. You have another variable called what? F. Is it,
Mm-hmm.
did you see that? You see that on the right hand side of the assignment operator, you have A plus B.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
A plus B.
What do you think will happen back there? The
Mm?
content of A right now is what? What is inside A? What is inside
Uh,
variable A?
F. B.
What is inside variable A? What is in the variable? No, no. What is
4.
inside the variable A? What?
4.
Thank you very much. And what's inside the variable B?
7.
4 plus 7 is what?
11.
Thank you very much. Now, can you see that assignment operator is going to take that 11 from the right hand side and put it inside the F on the left hand side. So what will be inside F?
11.
You want to see whether 11 is truly inside F.
Mm-hmm.
Let's take a look, shall we? How do you think we're going to put inside F? What will we need to do? Can you guess?
Print.
Can you guess?
Print.
Thank you very much. We're going to print F. So go ahead. Yes, go ahead. So go ahead and type it. Let's see how it's going to look. So there are different ways you can do it, but let's just print F. Now let me ask you, do you think we will need quotation marks now? Would we need quotation marks for the F?
I don't think so.
Thank you very much. So go ahead and put your parentheses and put the F in between. Let's just see it like that, as simple as it is. Don't forget your parentheses.
Should it be
Now,
capital
you
letter?
typed a capital letter F. Was it capital letter when you defined it?
No, I put
small letter, isn't
Yes.
it? Good. So that's the thing about Python. If you use the small letter to call the variable the first time, don't go and use a capital letter because it's going to see it as a different, totally different variable. Okay. So go ahead and put your small letter F and close your parentheses and hit enter. Let's see.
It shows 11.
So what did you notice? What did it say? Thank you very much. So remember that thing I said back there, that anytime you don't put quotation mark, right? What
Yes.
happens? What does Python do? It will
Take it
assume
as a variable.
that what you want to do is to show what is inside your variable. Did you get that? Thank you very much.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, it takes it as a variable. That's good. You remember. So I'm going to type something for you now. Okay. Or maybe we should just, since you can hear me well, let me just tell you what to type. So this time you're going to print F is equal to 7. So I'm going to show you what you're going to do. So go ahead and type your print, then put your parentheses,
Hmm?
type print,
Uh,
put your parentheses,
what do I do? What should I write?
okay? So go ahead and type the print function, your print function, then put your parentheses. Type yes, and put your parentheses.
Parentheses. Okay.
Okay, so now I know that yes, things out, right? But when it comes to functions, no, no need for the space between the name of no parentheses. Okay, so you can remove that space between the T and the first parenthesis. So in between the parentheses, put your quotation mark, your double quotation mark. Okay, now you're going to type the word F is equal to F is equal to no, not that one. Just like in English language, F space is
Sorry,
equal
let me
to
space
yes,
it.
you- yes. Please go ahead and speak. Yes. Just as if you're typing a sentence. Yes, it's equal to beautiful. Thank you very much. Now you don't need to put that space there again. Just put the quotation mark right after the key.
I want to go forward. Okay.
Yes, perfect.
Should I
Okay.
press
Now
enter?
type no, not yet.
Yes.
Type comma, press comma, like you know, on your
Okay.
keyboard. Yes.
So,
No, comma, not single quotation mark. Comma.
uh, look. Okay, found it.
Okay, good, excellent. Now type the name of your variable. This time without any quotation mark. Remember, it's a variable, so it's okay to use it without quotation mark.
A plus B, right?
No. Just F, just the F.
F.
Yes. All right. Now you may hit enter.
Instead,
So what did you notice?
instead of just putting 11, it said F is equal to 11.
Beautiful. F is equal to 11. Did you now see that it showed the ones that were between the quotation marks? It showed you exactly as they were. Then it now puts the one that was not in the quotation mark. It showed you the content of F. Did you notice that?
Yes.
Now, did you also notice that there's a space between the 2 and 11?
Yes.
But when you are typing the 2, you remember you wanted to put a space, and I said you shouldn't put a space, isn't it?
Yes. Yes.
The reason was because I knew that Python would put a space for us. Okay, so it would normally put a space between the one in the quotation mark and the one that's not in the quotation mark. Always remember just to put your word, the comma. Okay, whenever you put that comma, just remember to put it there. Okay, so um, so I think this is basically what you need to know. As well, of course, there's another way we can do this print statement. There's another way we can do it, but let's create another variable. I want you to create another variable and choose any number you want.
Okay.
Create another variable, choose any number you want. Yeah. No, not print. I didn't say you should print. Choose,
Ah.
create another variable, something like that. A assignment operator 4. You can use any letter you
Okay.
want. Yes, yes, and use any number you want too. Remember to space it out.
Oh, sorry. Forgot
Yeah.
that.
Okay. Another letter, another number.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Okay. Now choose another letter, but this time instead of plus, we're going to do minus. So go ahead.
Okay.
No, you do the assignment operator first. The assignment operator S minus K.
D. Sorry. D equals.
Don't forget assignment operator, not equals. Don't forget your space.
Are they watching Squid Game?
Assignment operator. Assignment operator. Okay, next. S minus K, not 4. Don't use 4. Don't use numbers.
Oh.
Use the variables. S minus K. Perfect. Now go ahead and print what is inside D. Let's see what's inside D.
Okay. Print. Shift.
Remember, no need for a space for the print. No need for that space there.
Okay.
And remember that it is D we are printing, not K, but D.
Okay. Six.
Okay. Is that correct? Is that the correct answer we expected?
Yes, because 8 minus 2 is 6.
Perfect. Okay. So I want you to see what would have happened if you had typed capital letter D instead of small letter d. Go ahead and type that same print statement, but this time with capital letter D. Let's see the error that will show.
Okay. Trace
Okay.
back most recent call last. File pre-shell hashtag 12 line 1 in model. Print D. Name error. Name D is not defined.
Hmm.
Name capital D is not defined. Do you mean small letter D?
Did you see that? So even Python sees capital letter D and small letter d as two different variables. Did you get that?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. That's good. All right. So um, this is how errors show. They show in red. All right. And then another thing that you need to know is the name of your function will always show in what color? Purple, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. And then the text, the things between the quotation marks, they are called text. T-E-X-T. T-E-X-T. They are called text. While of course your variable names are normal, black. They are all the normal, the color of the rest of um the ID only. Okay. So do you have any questions?
And no, no.
Okay. So I told them, Kato, that in our next class, you need to have a notebook and your writing material, okay, a pen or a pencil. But you are not going to be writing a lot of notes, okay? It's just things that you need to remember. Is that okay?
Okay.
All right. Do you have an email
Yes,
or
I
you
do.
use your mom? You have an email, right? Good.
Yes, my
So
mom created.
when your mom buys you guys your computers, right? You
Yes.
would see, yes, you would open your emails on your computers. Then anytime maybe I want to send you a homework to do, you'll be able to do it. Okay? You'll be able to see it from your mail and do it. All right. So are you sure you don't have any questions?
No.
Okay. No, no, don't open any email. It's not now that I want to
It
send you.
was my
This is your
mistake.
auntie's computer, so we can't use her email. All right. Okay. Okay. So um let's try one more time. Which sign would you like to try? We've done addition, we've done subtraction. Which sign would you like to try?
Multiplication.
Okay. Now let me ask you before you type it. What do you think is the symbol for multiplication? Can you guess?
Hmm.
Can you guess? I know what's in your mind. You're thinking of the letter X, isn't it?
Yes.
It surprise you. It's not X. So X, you know the good thing about X, right? It reminds us. That's what we've seen mostly in mathematics. We see X, creating, and we know that okay, something times something is equal to something. But for programming, in programming, X is can be the name of a variable too. So you know what we do? We can't use
Yes.
X again for multiplication. So what do we do? I want you to, can you see that thing that looks like asterisk? I think, I'm not too sure how it will show on your keyboard, but it should be on 8, on the key that has number 8. but you
Number
have to eight, eight, eight,
eight.
eight. Yes,
Okay, I found
you have
it.
to press. Have you seen shift?
This.
Sorry. Yes, that. So that's what you're going to use when you are doing it. So now go ahead. I want you to now. Do you know what we're going to do? We're
Uh,
going to use variables already created. Don't create new ones. Which ones do you want to reuse? Choose any one you want. Is it A you want to reuse or B you want to reuse? You can even reuse F, any of them that has number, a value inside. You can reuse it. Anyone. So go ahead and choose.
okay, sorry. But so I should kind of like repeat what I did, or I should just go
Thank you
straight
very much.
to the point.
Yes. Yes. Go straight to the point. You don't need to to repeat everything. So
Okay.
for instance, if you have used S, you can use S again. Okay. So which one are you using? Okay, you're using G, right?
Yes.
Okay. So now, G assignment operator what? What do you want to do on the right hand side? Remember, you're not creating any variable. You are using the old ones you've already defined. So go ahead.
I'll use.
No, 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 no. When I say reuse, what I mean is this. For instance, you have used the variable A, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. So you can say G assignment operator. Don't forget your space. So G space assignment operator space. Then you now say A star star D. Can you do that? Assignment
A.
operator. Don't forget assignment operator, not plus. Uh, thank you. Then space again. A A letter A. Thank you. Space again. And then that shift A
I should what?
space. Put another space. Shift A.
I should put another A.
No, space. Another space.
Okay. Space. Okay.
Then do your shift 8.
I've did my space.
Shift 8. Asterisk. Asterisk. The asterisk.
Oh, okay.
And now choose any other variable you've already created before. And after space, type space. Okay. So go ahead, hit enter. Now let's print G to see what's inside G. Remember, no space, no need for space for the print statement. Uh-huh.
I should print what? I'm a
G.
G.
G. Yes. Okay.
32.
How did that 32 get there? Can you explain it?
A is A is 4 and
Yeah.
S is 8. So 4 times 8 is 32.
Oh, excellent. Excellent. I am impressed. You got it. You got it. Uh, so that's why 32 is inside G, isn't it?
Yes.
Beautiful. You got it. That's good. All right. So let's do one more. Let's see if we can do division. Then we'll close for today, okay?
Okay.
All right. So go ahead now. I want you to now you notice that in this line that you did for multiplication, G was a new variable, isn't it?
Yes.
I want you to use variables. Don't use any new one at all. Use the ones that you've used. Choose anyone. Anyone at all you've used. You must use any new one.
I don't know. What is the division sign?
Okay, the division sign is forward slash. Can you see that forward slash there? The slash that is tilting towards the right hand side. Slash, no, not that. Slash, not dash. I didn't say dash. Slash, forward slash. Thank you very much. That is division. So now you have it. So go ahead and start your variable. So choose a variable quickly, anyone you want,
Oh yeah.
but you,
Uh,
you must have used it. No, don't use the one you've not used. You've not
okay.
used G. I want the one you've used already. Okay, G. Perfect. Go ahead. Do your assignment space and assignment operator. Space. Assignment operator. Yes. Another space. Okay. So another one that you've used before. Go ahead. Anyone you've used before today. Okay. 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 All right. Go ahead. Space again. Another one you've used before. And now print G again. Remember, space for the print. No need for space.
0.25.
Yes. Can you explain that?
Uh,
If you need help, I can help you.
no.
Yes,
Okay.
please.
Should I explain it? Should I help you explain it?
Um, yes.
Okay. All right. So I'm going to ask you a few questions while I explain it. What is inside K?
Oh, sorry. What? What? Eight, two. Sorry.
Thank you. What is inside S?
Oh, eight. It's supposed to be
Thank you
eight
very much.
divided by two.
Thank you so much. Thank you. But it's fine. It's fine. It's another good way to learn. Now, 2 divided by 8. By the time you divide 2 by 8, I can't, I want you to imagine it. I know you are not with your notebook now. I want you to imagine it. You have 2 in your numerator, you have 8 in the denominator. It's going to give you 1 divided by 4. By the time you do your division properly, right, you will get 0.25, because whenever you have a big number in your denominator and you have a small number in your numerator, what happens? You will always get a number that is less than 1. I hope you know that 0.25 is less than 1.
I know.
Good. Excellent. I like that. So that's how you got 0.25. Now, what another thing I want you to notice is that, did you see that just before this line that you typed, G was 32?
Yes.
What do you think happened to that 32?
It turned into
Into what?
zero.
0.25, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Why do you think it turned into 0.25? How come it did not, the 32 did not say, hey, I'm bigger than you? Because 32 is clearly bigger than 0.25. And then tell it, shh, go away, I'll stay here. Why didn't it do that? Why do you think it didn't do that?
Because we were dividing.
No. Okay, let me help you. It's because the line, can you see the line where you have G assignment operator K slash divided by S? It came after the line that has G assignment operator A times S. Did you see that that one came below it?
Yes.
So you know what Python does? Python executes your code from the top to the bottom. So even if you use the same variable and on your left hand side, whatever is the last number that was put into it is what will be inside it. Did you get that?
Yes.
Good. So that's just what happened back then. If you use this G again, I promise you that 0.25 will no longer be there. Okay. Do you want to try it out?
Okay.
All right. Give it a shot. You can do anything you want. You can say G assignment operator something plus something or something times something. Anything you want.
Okay.
But it has to be a variable that you use. You, yes, that's the only part.
Should I do times or division?
Anyone you want. Anyone you want.
Okay, so I had this.
Yeah.
What is this? What is this again?
Okay. All right. Go ahead and hit enter. Let's see. Okay. So go ahead and print.
Sorry.
Yeah. Okay. Go ahead.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So can you explain it?
8 times 7 is 56.
Oh, good. Good. I like the fact that you're even good with your times table. That's good. Well done. Well done. 8 times 7 is 56. There was 8 in the S and there was 7 in the B. So 8 times 7 gave us 50. Did you notice B is no longer 0.25?
Yes, I noticed.
You noticed. Good. Well done. All right. So you've done so well for today. I like that.
Okay.
You did perfectly. I like your spirit and I like your how you did your work. Okay, so you sure you don't have any questions, right?
No.
All righty. Okay, so our next class will be on Thursday. About I'll try. I hope we should be able to do 11 to 12. Okay, so we'll stop exactly at 12. All right.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So remember to tell your auntie thank you for lending them. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Okay. So see you on Thursday.
See you on Thursday. Bye.
Bye.